We're at MC Machinery Systems in Chicago, Illinois. We're here to meet Chris and get a tour behind the scenes to see everything they're doing to support manufacturing in North America. Hey Chris, great to see you.
Welcome to MC Machinery.
Well, thanks for having me, man. This is a massive showroom.
It is, and we have a lot to show you today.
Yeah, well, I mean, look at this first row already.
So yeah, let's start with our wire EDM products. So we have high-end fine wire machines, mid-range machines, and automated wire EDMs for lights out production.
Well, I can't wait to dig into these machines over the next week or so and to learn a little bit more, to share it with everyone out there.
Yeah, definitely. There's a lot to see, a lot to learn, and we love providing solutions to our customers' most challenging problems and applications.
Wow, look at the second row here, Chris. So what do you have going on in the second row here?
So here we have our sinker EDMs, followed by our Roku high-speed milling.
Wow.
So this is our Android. So this is actually one of the most accurate machines in the world.
Okay, can I grab that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So this is an example of the finish you can expect right off the machine.
That is crazy. That came right off the machine.
Right off the machine. No secondary operations. Ultimate detail, precision, finish. These machines are incredible.
I can't. I'm going to have the guy that runs this machine, and I'm going to have to watch that because
we have a lot more to go into detail because we also do graphite, hard milling, ceramics.
Crazy cool.
So here's an example of a graphite solution. So our HC series mill, the Roa robot, and our SV12 sinker for a production powerhouse of lights out, unattended machining.
Oh man. And then
here we have our AZ600 additive machine. And actually a lot of people don't know, but Mitsubishi does do additive manufacturing. So this is a laser DED, and we can build onto existing parts. It uses commonly available materials, very slick machine.
Well, we're gonna have to get into that because that was the biggest buzz at IMTS 2024 for me. Chris, what do you got going on in the third row back there?
So in our back row, that's our 5-axis and gantry sinker. So we have OPS Ingersoll 5-axis hard milling, graphite milling, as well as our large gantry sinkers from OPS Ingersoll.
So you can do hard milling and graphite milling on the same machine.
Absolutely.
Oh, but Chris, I think we forgot one over there.
We did. So this is actually our mid-range SG28 sinker EDM, which we've been doing a lot of work in the power generation and large mold shop type work.
That kind of industry literally powers the world we live in.
It does, and with this machine, we can provide an automated solution to do lights out machining of difficult impeller power generation turbine work.
That is so cool. I can't get over the technology that's available working with, you know, Mitsubishi and MC Machinery.
We love the most challenging and demanding applications and providing a solution to our customers so that they can grow and in turn make money and buy more equipment.
What about what's going on over here behind us?
So if you look back in the end here, we actually have some older equipment, and this equipment is used for training. We actually support the older generations and still provide training on the older equipment as well as the newer. And then here in front of you, this monster is our 32-inch fully submerged MV4800.
Oh man, this showroom is full of training, it's full of modern technology that I know I can't wait to dig into, that we're going to share with everyone out there. But where can we get to next?
So this is actually a unique feature of MC Machinery, and we're going to show you a nice private tour. This is our R&D department.
Great. So this is your R&D department?
This is our R&D department. So this is where we develop all the cutting technology for these machines. Oh, be careful there. That's top secret.
Okay, okay.
But basically what we do here is we take all these materials and we have dedicated equipment.
Okay.
And then we cut, say, aluminum, copper, steel, carbide from a 1/4 inch all the way up to 32-inch tall.
That's
a lot. And we develop that technology for our market.
That's a lot of different stuff.
It is.
And you're doing this for your customers.
We are. We set ourselves apart from the other manufacturers by offering customers a proven solution where they can depend on that technology day in and day out to produce the results that they desire.
That's very cool. So where are we going after this, Chris?
So from here, we're going to our repair lab where you're going to see board level repair on circuit boards.
Cool, let's go check it out.
All right, let's go. So welcome to our repair lab.
This is a really neat place to be. So what's going on here?
So here's where we actually repair our boards at a component level. So
Okay.
Marty will actually log a board in. Dan here will actually start testing a board and at the component level to repair it.
That is so cool. So he goes all the way down to the lowest level.
He does. So what this does is it enables us to save our customers about 40 to 60% on the cost of a new board by providing a core credit.
That's such a fantastic gift. I mean, I've had to source boards and I know how long it takes, how hard they are to find. So the fact that you can repair them here is amazing.
It's a big benefit to our customers.
What-
Along with that, we actually have a row of emulators from our older controls that can be used for program troubleshooting, operation questions, all to support our customers.
So what's that behind you?
So this is our older legacy equipment that we still support. This goes back to 1978. We can actually take some of those boards that Dan repaired, test those components, make sure that they function, and again, provide that service to our older customers with machines that are still running. Sandra here is actually programming hard drives for some of the newer equipment, and she's another member of the team.
That is so cool that you have this available. So, okay, you got this here. What's the next step?
So the next step is some of these repaired components will actually go into our museum machines, which is across the hall, to make sure that they function before sending a customer a board that may have problems.
Oh, Chris, what's in here?
So this is one of our older legacy pieces of equipment that we would actually use for testing the boards we saw being repaired in the repair lab.
So you, no joke, you physically got them here.
So we'll physically take that board, put it into the card slot, test it, make sure that it functions before we ship it out to the customer so they know they're getting a good board.
That's a crazy level of service.
It is.
Does anyone else even do that?
To my knowledge, we're the only manufacturer that offers this service to our customers.
Speaking of service,
Welcome to the MC Machinery Service Department.
okay, so what do you guys handle here?
So basically we take all the calls from customers for service, parts, and even applications questions that they may have on the machines.
Okay, but what areas do you cover out of this office?
So this office will cover all of North America.
So what do we have going on here, Chris?
So this is how we monitor our incoming calls for all of our product lines at MC Machinery.
Okay.
A customer will call in, they will go to what we call a level 1, they will take their information. Those calls will then be routed to the appropriate product category. And here you can kind of see what's in queue, how long they've been waiting, and we have a target of trying to get back to our customers in under a half an hour to keep them supported and running.
Chris, I mean, look at all of this.
Yeah, this is our on-site parts warehouse. We have about 16 million in parts inventory.
16 million on hand.
16 million in inventory to serve our customers, to have parts available for them when their machines go down. It's one of the things that separates us from our competitors.
What a tour. Companies like MC Machinery Systems are very, very rare. And I am so privileged that Chris was able to take us behind the scenes to show us everything they're doing to support manufacturing in North America. Make sure you follow along to check all the other content we have coming out with MC Machinery Systems.